Good day, Divergence traders. It is Thursday. It's 10:57 or somewhere around there. We had a very moving day today. As you can see, she's a moving. So if you were trading the 5-minute, okay? There's one trade, but I wouldn't have taken it because it was just before when all hell breaks out. Well, actually, hold on, I think it was 5 minutes. No, it was actually, the entry point was 15 minutes. No, there was a trade. There was. I was, like I told you, I'm taking a break from it myself. Just to regenerate, recuperate, all those kind of things. Okay, well, I'll show you the trade then. Okay, we got to bring this right up here, right up there. Okay, and we draw it from this higher thingamajig here, see? And then this is the 5-minute we're looking at, ladies and gentlemen. See that up at the top of the chart? 5-minute, M5 in brackets, baby. Okay, so let's take it back down slowly, just about to there. Yeah. So then we draw it. We don't have to draw it from the wick. We can just draw it right here to the body. Top of the body of the candle to the top of the body of the candle of this one. So if we line it up right here, it's even more divergent because I can put this now down to the bottom of that little red doodah. And does this one line up? No. No, it doesn't. It's this one. Just showing you perfectly in hindsight where you would have drew it, where you would have went, and the whole thing. So you see, you take it up here, and you see, lines up there perfectly, lines up there perfectly. Okay, we can bring it down. It's divergent. It's hidden divergence, okay? So it does not tell us on the OSMA which direction it's supposed to go, okay? It does actually the opposite. So this is pointing up in the OSMA. If it's hidden divergence, that means it's going to go down, okay? Just so you got that. I sure hope some of you have taken a break away from it also. It'll really be good for you to reset your mind and to just not do it for a few days. Even 2 days is a good break from it. You know, instead just go out and do something else. I'm telling you, you'll feel better. Then you'll come back with a fresh mind and you'll just kill it. In a good way, you'll kill it. Okay? So, we went down here after the news. There was news. It was right here, the opening of the stock market. Yeah. This big sword here, right here, that is the open of the stock market, and it came back up. They went up here, and they got all the stops. That's what they did, because everybody was selling down here of this wick. So they went up, and they got the stops. Then they took it where we all hoped it would go when we were in short down here. See what I mean? That's how they do it, ladies and gentlemen. They're bastards. They always take out the stops. That's what creates higher highs, double tops, lower lows, double bottoms, okay? Is them first taking out the stops. And that gives us our divergence setup. Okay? Okay, cool. So, if you would have got short right here in the opening of this sucker, a little bit of drawdown, maybe 9-10 points. How far to go down? There's 131 to there. Right to the bottom, went down to like 157 points. And then look what it did. It went all the way back up. There is no trade down here on the 5-minute to take it back up. Now, because this sucker is moving. It's on fire today. Like, that's fire. You know that saying, the new saying? That's fire, dude. That's fire. Yeah, so let's go look on the 1 minute and we'll see the setups. Okay? There. Now you can see from up here. I just started and I'm yawning already. Oh, holy tamale. So we got a high, a retracement, and a higher high, right? But down here, no, this one's higher than this one. It needs to be the opposite of that to get in on this trade. And if you would have got in on this trade, where's their higher close? Let's sell it now, and down it goes. There is none as far as, well, there is way down here if you wanted to try it. The only other thing you can do is sell a rally. So see how it created this wick here? Let me make it bigger for you. So you can see right here. See this pin bar? A lot of people would read that as, oh, look. There's more buyers than sellers. Look at the big wick. That means it's going to go up here. No, it doesn't mean that. But to some it will. If you go study. Oh, yeah, learn to talk again, Jason. Stiddy. You ever done stiddy? If you study pin bars and engulfing candles and whatever else there is, hangman and what do they call those little stars? Oh, evening stars and morning stars. I'm not saying they're crap. I don't use them in any which way. I just look for divergence because I know 8-9 times out of 10 it works. Okay, so anyway, check this out. There is no divergence up here to sell it. Okay? And it came down and down and down. And me, I wouldn't just jump in here, or jump in here, or jump in down here. I need a reason. Okay? I need a reason. Now let me show you. So we got a low put in, a retracement, and then a lower low. Okay. What does that mean? That means, I'll show you in a sec, right here. That means all the people who were buying it down here, okay, whatever, they came and they got your stop. Okay? And the reason, like, people were buying in here. I'm just stumped a little bit in my brain. I'm sorry, it went blank on me. It does it sometimes. I think I got it back. Okay, so when people all started buying in here thinking, okay, we bottomed out right here. We're going to go, right back up there, right? Well, they were wrong to buy too soon because they would have put all their stops right under here when the price was up here. So what did they do? They came and they went 1, 2, 3, we got you. They took out their stops, and then, which created divergence because it's a low retracement, lower low. And it lines up on the indicator, everything's good to go. Doesn't have to be at the perfect bottom. Let's see. Yeah, it's on that one, eh? Just lining everything up here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? So there's our divergence. One's going down, one's going up. Now, because it's a lower low, not hidden divergence, it's pointing up, so you can pay attention to the direction that this is pointing. It's pointing up. So what does that mean? You know what it means. Come on. It means the price has the probability, doesn't mean it'll always do it, okay? But it means that the price has the probability that it's going to go up. And did it go up? It did. It definitely did. Okay? So you would have got long right in there. Went up 67 points. Your stop was 41 points. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay? Now, did its thing. It's changed direction now. Now it's in a sidewinder, what I call a you can call it whatever you want. Chop. You can call it a consolidation, or me. I just call it crap. That's what I call it. I gotta get some water. So anyway, it came down here. And it did give you a trade, but I don't know. Do you really want to look at such small whatever? We can for fun. Okay. It's like that, pointing up, meaning it's going to go up. And this is pointing up. Oh, this is supposed to go down like this, like a double, triple bottom. Oh, I hate when this thing won't cooperate. Okay, let's call that a double bottom. So if you would have bought, where would have you bought? You're close to resistance. So just above this wick right here, as soon as it started going up, I would get in right there. And it went up 37 points. Yeah, and the stop was at the swing low, 27 points. So you would have got 30 at least in there, okay? And then what happened after that? Well, we had a double top here. This is the 1 minute now, okay? And there's another trade. I'm telling you, there really is. If you're looking to scalp 5 to 10, you know what I mean? Okay, so we would have got short. Well, oh, I didn't even put in the buy yet. Jason, what are you doing? Right on the opening of this candle, you would have sold it. The stop would have been 29 points. Did it go down 29 points here? Yeah, it went to 30. So you would have got something out of those two candles right here. Okay, then look what it did. There's more divergence to buy it again. We're on the 1 minute time frame, ladies and gents. So we have to, do this very carefully. Low and lower lows, okay? Come on, you little whatever. So you would have got in right here. Stop at the swing low, 24 points. There's 32 points right there. You would have got your 1-to-1. You would have got your 1-to-1 on all three of these trades, okay? And no trade for the big one. But this was a good one right here. It went up lovely. Just lovely. Splendid old chop. Just lovely. All right. I also want to point out today, I was talking about this epic pen yesterday. I said something there out of context. Please don't think I'm got anything against anybody. I don't. I even have two they're half, 50% Chinese cousins. So trust me, I don't have anything against the Chinese people or any people. I know I said that yesterday. I was just going with the flow and it just came out with it. I apologize if you heard that, Fook. I don't have anything against anybody. I just love the Chinese girls. They're so sweet. Anyway, ladies, not girls, ladies. My day for girls is long time over. But anyways, I just wanted to apologize about that. That kind of slipped out in the wrong way, kind of quickly in the wrong context. What it really is, what the problem is with this Epic pen is that they have it designed that only certain things will work, and for a certain amount of time because they want you to buy it from them. You know what I mean? And I don't want to buy that from them. So I wouldn't even use it that much. So there. I apologize about that comment yesterday. I didn't mean that to happen. Okay, so here's all the trades on the NASDAQ. We covered everything. Oh, I did show you the 5-minute trade, didn't I? Where was that trade? Oh, it's somewhere in here and I can't see it now. We gotta move on. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let's look at the S and the P now. I don't think there's a trade up there. Look at that. No, no, no. There's no trade on the 5-minute. No, 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 no. There's no trade. Right now it's going sideways. Okay, enough of that. Let's try out the Dow. What did the Dow do? Oh, the Dow had a beautiful, beautiful trade. See how quickly I scanned the chart? I've never looked at this today, and I found it just like that. Just like that. See, there's a little blue doodah here. Yeah. Okay. Let's take it down. It's going down. So when it's pointing down, which way is it going to go? We have a high and a higher high, right? Higher highs. So it means it's going to go down. On the OSMA, it's pointing down, and it's going to go down. It's going to go down. So you would have sold it right here. Stop at the swing high, not a tick higher, not a tick lower. Okay? It's 45 ticks, 45 points. And how much did it go down, ladies and gentlemen? 347 points, ladies and gentlemen, on the Dow today. That is fucking awesome. What's even more awesome is Divergence found it and played it out properly and perfectly and dominantly. Look at that trade, man. You can't get better than that. Anybody looking for an epic trade where you make unbelievable money? That's it right there on the Dow. But that's the question is, which one do you trade? You know, that's why I've always said I wanted to get a trading team, because we're all looking at a different time frame. We all have the same, markets, and when we see the setup, we as in me and a few other traders that are all trading the same thing. Not one guy trading support and resistance. Not one guy trading break and close of trend lines. Not one other guy trading, I don't know, drawing little boxes on his screen. I don't know. The only time I draw a box on the screen, and I ain't looking for no fair value gap, I'll tell you that. Not that I mean that in any disrespect to anybody, but yeah, I'd only be looking for divergence, but it's on different time frames. I have 3 screens in front of me, okay, and I could put 2 charts on each screen, so there's six charts. Do you think I want to concentrate on fucking 6 charts? No, man. I couldn't do it when I was younger. I sucked at multitasking. I remember working in factories and there was like 5 or 6. They used to call it the 6 banger, like a 6-cylinder car that goes bang, 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 bang. Okay? This place I used to work, they called this place, oh no, they called it the 4 banger. It wasn't a 6 banger, it was the 4 banger. It would bang out 4 different parts out of this fucking machine. Okay? And you had to load all the wire into the machine because it was wire for seating. Okay, for Lear. If anybody's heard of Lear seating, they're all over the world. I was in South Africa. I was right beside the factory there. There's Lear right here where I live. Like there used to be, just a few blocks from here. And I can imagine they have Lear plants all over the world, and they're still going. But anyway, I had to put this wire into the machine, and then as they bent the wire into a part, I had to like take those out and put them in a box, you know, ready to ship, and put some more wire in. It kept you hopping all night long, ladies and gentlemen. Four banger. So this is why I could never, I hate doing that. I hated a machine that controlled me. I want to be in control of the fucking machine. And I found jobs like that where I was in control. And then I was okay. But you put me on this fucking four banger, oh my God. So what I'm trying to say is, I don't want to look at 6 different charts on screens. It's just too much for my mind. I hate it. I just want to trade on one. You know what I mean? 1 or 2. And that's another problem with trading. You can get as many screens as you want, but can your mind compute everything on all these freaking screens? Can you? Can you really? I don't know. I sure can't. Anyway, we had a 350 point winner all the way down. The only other trade I see is right here. So we have this second candle closing up near the 5. And then on the opening of the next candle, which is this red one right here, you would have sold it on the opening up here. And what happened? Well, it went down and down and down and down and down. And then it came back up. That is the Dow, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to look at something totally different, the pound. Oh, look at the pound finally did something. Oh my goodness. Can't be. Can't be. And I guess it is. See right there, higher close, sell it, down it goes. Yeah, you see it. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Yeah, you see it. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Yeah, you see it. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. That's enough. I mean, you couldn't really do any more than that. You could, but oh, it would be risky. Beautiful, huh? Sell, sell, sell. Not buy on top of the blue candle. No, 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 that's a no-no. Not buy here, do not buy here, do not buy here. Look, you got 3 candles and a wick. Oh my God, for sure, for sure, for sure. It's going to go up. No, didn't fucking go up. And again, blue candle, bullish candle. Oh, for sure now, for sure. We didn't do it the last time, but this time, for sure, we're going to go back up. No, we didn't. You know why we didn't? According to what I look at. But the reason why I know not to buy, if I was trading this, I would not buy anywhere in here all day. All day, Marianne. I would look for higher closes, pullbacks, and sells. All sells. Sell, 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 sell. And it would have worked out for you. Because all the way down, the 5 was below the 7. Yeah, I know. Some of you think that's stupid bullshit. But look at it right now before I change the chart. Look at it. See it? It's amazing. Gotta love those trending days. How far did it go? Let's just see. Oh, wow. 78 pips. Nice. Okay, euro dollar. Oh, look, same thing with the euro dollar. Beautiful, beautiful. She's so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're everything I hope for. You're everything I need. Yeah, I used to sing that song to my poor, very, very old mom. Okay, let's do this. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Sell it, down it goes. Sell it, down it goes. And there's one more right here. None of them exceeded the 7 to create a hook down. None of them. Right there. All wins. All wins. This is the Euro USD now because the 5 is below the 7. It kept you on track. It told you don't buy it. It's a very simple thing to use. If the 5 is below the 7 and if there's really good space between the 5 and the 7, you see the gap here? Don't freaking buy it. Look for a higher price, a better price to sell. Don't fucking buy it. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Because it's going to get you in trouble. Let's look at the pound yen now. Oh. Pound yen, not good, not good. Let's see, what time was this? Yeah. 16:20. Mind the 5 minutes? Oh, this is the open of no, pound yen. Anyway, there's a trade here. It's at 16:20. It's a double top. There's no trade there. There's no fucking trade there. I'm seeing things. I'm so sorry. This is a slope down. It needs to be double top and this going down like this. And no, it's not there. There's no trade there. And there's no hidden divergence to sell it here either, because this needs to come down. Yeah. There's no divergence. Well, screw you. Screw you, pound yen. Screw you. But we do have one trade, okay? Right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. That's it. Went down 16 pips. Big wow. Euro yen, look, same crap. No divergence. See this? This like this, and it needs to be the opposite. Nice double top, nice sell-off, but there was no divergence. Oh, man. Let's look at oil now, ladies and gentlemen. What did it? Did it give us a trade? It did. You need to be looking closely, okay, to find it, but it did. Now, first, if I came to this chart just like this, I would say, oh, okay. I would go up here and click on here. See what it tells you? It tells a story. Right from here, the 5 is above the 7. See? 5 above the 7, 5 above the 7. Here they did a little kissing, smooching, right here, and then they came back out again. Okay? So because of that, right here, I would have looked at this whole scenario and said, we're in an uptrend, right? That's how I told you the other day, or last week, or 3 weeks ago. You gotta go and look at the higher time frame. You only need to go one time frame. I know somebody, they teach you to go to the daily and this and that, and I trade 5-minute charts, so I don't believe I need to go that far. I just believe I need to go to the 15-minute. And that's what I do. So it told me a very bullish story, okay? Right from way down here. Don't sell it, don't sell it, don't sell it, don't sell it. Because it's going to get you. It's just going to keep coming back up and getting you because it's in an uptrend today. Today. Doesn't mean tomorrow will be, just today. So, there's one trade. Okay? Actually, there's two trades. So we draw it from here like this, going down, okay? And I'll put in this other one, and I'll show you where you would get in, okay? So right here, see, right here, it's telling you, oh, she's coming down again. It's telling you to buy in there, okay? And also, it's telling you to buy here. So say we broke these wicks right here, right there, boom, jump in. But remember, and remember this carefully, when you would be buying right here, or even right here, this price action would be way up here. It would be at the top of the chart because it is the top of the move thus far. You see what I'm saying? So this whole whatever would be right up here. Now this is the high, so it's marked now, you see, which is at the high of the chart. That's how these charts work. That's how they're structured. I've taught it before in one of my, one of my talking, like I'm talking now, in one of my channel videos. I talk all about this stuff. So, let me show you this trade. See this little doodah here? And we go up to there, like that. This one's pointing down, this one's pointing up. So, this one's pointing down. Does this mean it's going to go down? No, because it's not a lower low or a double bottom. This is hidden divergence, so it's always the opposite of what is going on and where it's pointing on the OSMA. So you would have got long, say right above these wicks right here, and it would have went up on oil 74 points. Okay? Your stop is always at the swing low right here, 28 points, 27.6 points. Okay? Now I got to ask you this question. After you got long right here, just above these wicks, what happened? It went up, right? Did it come back and get your stop? Your stop is always at the closest swing low to the tick right there. And from there, I measure the TP. Whatever my stop is, my TP is. Okay? And I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you where I set my stop, and it hardly ever comes back and gets it. And I've shown you that a million times now. And I'm hoping it's really sticking in your brain to do this when you trade. Okay? So, this was a winner, chicken dinner right here. So if you got in right there, the stop would have been down here, 23 points. But look, came down 18 points. Oh, they tried to scare the caca out of you. And look, it went up 29 points, so you would have got your 1-to-1. Yes, beautiful thing. Let's move on now, ladies and gents, to our last instrument of the day, which is gold. And Mr. Fook, he's waiting for it. Here you go, Fook. Oh, he put a message on yesterday's video today saying good gold trade. I wonder which gold trade he's talking about. Huh. You're going to bounce off the pivot. I don't see no gold trade. Where's the gold trade, Fook? Holy jeez. I don't see it. Like, if we drew from here to here, that's hidden divergence, but we don't have that here. Maybe he's looking at the 15-minute. Let's try the 15-minute. I don't see your trade, Fook. I'm sorry to say, buddy. I don't see it. If you want to send me a picture of it, I'd love to look at it, but I can't see no trade. Well, other than this. It's like if we draw it right up to the top there, and we draw this down like this, okay? Yeah, right there, right up there. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's fine. It shows it. That's hidden divergence, so we would have sold right here. This is the 15-minute. This is the only trade I see, Fook. I don't know if it's the one you're talking about, but yeah, would have got short right here. Our stop would have been right here, 28 points. And yeah, went down like 120 points down here. I don't know, Fook. Is that the trade? I think that's the only trade I see. Well, no. There's another trade actually. Right here. Did it go anywhere? Yeah. Yeah, there's another trade here. This is the 15-minute, ladies and gents? So you would have got in like right there. Right there you would have got in with the stop at the swing low, 23 points. Did we get 23 points? Oh, just 23.2. We just got it. I don't even know if he's thinking this is the trade. I don't know which trade he's talking about. This is the one where it went somewhere, the hidden divergence. So that's it. Anyway, that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry if it went on and on and on and on and on. A little too much. I didn't mean to. Anyway, if you could please be so kind to hit the like button and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. And yeah, I hope you have a good the rest of your trading day. I hope it's good. Good. Or if you're at home relaxing, taking a break from it like me, that's even better. If you can take 2 trading days off, or 5 would be better, like a whole week, then you could come back with a clean mind and do your stuff. All right then, have a good afternoon. Good luck and good trading.